for x plus 0.8 equals 0.1x. Now this looks frightening. Just pretend it said 4 plus 8, 4x plus 8 equals 1x. What would you do? What's the first thing I have to do? Go ahead, Ann.
Move the 8 to the other side and put the x's on one side and the 8 on the other.
Very good. So I'll just do the one at a time, okay? So you see what I did there, right? The 0.1, 0.8 on the left turned into negative 0.8 on the right. Okay? You okay or not really?
What? Okay.
Vanessa? You okay or not really?
Are we changing this into what?
No, we're just solving for x. That's all we're doing. So you just want the x on the left, numbers on the right. Okay? All right, can someone else be brave and give me the next step? And everybody's first job. What's the next step, please? What do you need to get rid of? This is why you use Spider-Man. Still be raising your hand. Okay. Oh, Aiden, I'm picking on you instead. What do we need to get rid of on the right-hand side? What does not belong?
Then 0 decimal 1.
Very good. How do you get rid of that?
Make it negative 0 decimal 1.
Good. Please note, and Mrs. Moore will confirm this. Sorry, Mrs. Moore, I like to bring into my evil plans. Calculators are permitted tomorrow. You may not use your phones. Okay, I will not lend a calculator out, mainly because I don't have one. Okay, if you need to borrow a calculator, you go to Mrs. Moore. You're going to see the side Mrs. Moore. You'll get caught up. Okay, that's your right. Okay, so are you left-handed or right-handed? Right. Good. So you're able to take notes today then? Perfect. Okay. So I'm giving you one of those pieces of paper here. This is basically what we've done the entire year so far. We have a test tomorrow, which you will not be writing, okay? But I want you to at least try and follow along with the issues. So, all right. Eventually, we send some over there. All right, so there we go. 0.3x equals negative 0.8. What's my last step, please? Divide by 3. And again, you're allowed to use a calculator for this. Okay? I encourage you to use one. I think that turns into negative 2.67. I still confirm that one. Is that good for most people? Negative 2.67, I think. Someone confirm that for me, please? Yep. Okay? It's confirmed. Okay. I want to pick on Hudson right now for letter H. Sorry, Hudson, to rush you here, okay? I want to go fairly quickly to give you guys time to work those today, okay? If I'm going too fast, somebody stop me. Okay, we'll go from here. Hudson, you involve some brackets here. I'm going to do this one in black. You're going to do the first bracket for letter H. What's 1,000 times x minus 3 the same as?
1,000 x minus 3,000.
Very good. Now, even though the numbers are enormous, you can still do this, right? You're just multiplying. Anthony, what is 400 times 2x plus 3, please?
800.
800x, good. Keep going. Very good. Awesome. Good math. Very good. Okay, so just to close, if you're not sure what's happening, I did 400 times 2 is 800. 400 times 3 is 1,200. I haven't put that. So yes. Okay, no, that's on the right-hand side. Caleb, we're going to pick on you. 400 times 4x is? Close. 4 times 4 is? Yeah, so 1,600x. So, and then minus. Do you guys see that blue or not really? Not really. Although it'll be then beaten up in a second. Okay, Bryce. First one, my first year period class is wondering who you are. They sort of want to check you out on Instagram. They sort of do. Just so you know, they sort of do want to check you out here. Okay. You're going to neaten up the left-hand side. What's 100x plus 800x?
100x plus 800 is 900x. Oh, sorry. 100x.
What's 1,000 plus 800?
Oh, 1800.
1800, yeah. And it just stays, it's okay. And it just stays in the mix. Okay. So all I'm doing here is I'm just trying to make it a little bit simpler and just squish the things together. Mason, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you, Mr. Sadler. Well, you're welcome. Can you do negative 3,000 plus 1,200 for me? If you need a calculator, go ahead. So 1,200 minus 3,000. Negative 1,800. Right? Negative 1,800? And this stays at 1,600x minus 400. Okay. Are we feeling sort of okay? These are big numbers, but it's still the same stuff, right, Johnny? It's just bigger numbers than we're used to dealing with, but it's still the same rules. Okay? Now, honey, I'm going to pick on you. What's one thing we can move across, please, right now?
1600.
Good. So which 1,600? Good. What's the 1,600 going to turn into when you send it across? So it's positive here. So it's going to be.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, right. It's positive here already, right? So it's going to go 1,800x. And then I'll go minus 1,600x. And minus 1,800. So we can see that, right? We're just sliding things across again. I'm sorry, I forgot your name, new girl. Emily? Emery, sorry, Emery. Okay. If I'm going too fast, sorry about the embarrassing, if I'm going too fast because you've never seen this stuff before or not since last year, Mrs. Moore is excellent. Please feel free to ask her what I'm doing. Or if you're brave, you can raise your hand and ask me what I'm doing. Okay? Yes, who says Mr. Sadler? No? Okay. I'm going to pick on my good friend, Dalen. Dalen, what is 1,800x minus 1,600x, please? 200, good. So 200x minus 1,800 equals negative 400. Now, if you've been quietly sitting saying, I want to save the right time for the most difficult part of the question, and that's when I want to help Mr. Sadler. Okay, this is the most difficult part of the question. What is this current step to do right now? Somebody be brave and raise their hand. Dalen, you got it. Go.
Wouldn't you go 200x minus 1,800 plus 1,800?
Awesome. Okay. So it's going 200x equals negative 400 plus 1,800. So okay there, right? So a negative on the left, switch it across to be a positive. Bryce, put that calculator, put that phone in, please. So I want you to do this because this is going to be homework. The more I get done here now is great. If not, it turns to homework and you guys hate homework, right? All right, Bryce. That's my favorite student with the best hair in this class. Sorry to anyone else who has nice hair. Don't do that. It just drives me wild when you do that. Okay, don't do that.
I feel really excluded.
Whenever you compliment my hair, I just feel like I want to show it off.
Okay, just so you know, I only do that to guys because I don't want to be hit up on sexual harassment charges. And Sarah to say to you, oh, Anne, your hair is so beautiful. I don't want you to come home and say, Mr. Sadler's talking about hair in school, right? So hopefully Bryce won't say that and I won't get in trouble for that, okay? Bryce, go ahead. 1,800 minus 400 is what it is? 1,400. You guys are laughing, that's the truth. I'm sorry, Mrs. Moore, it's the truth, that's fine. So you might say, why do I not compliment Mrs. Moore on how she looks? Because I don't want to get hit up for anything, right? That's all I'm saying. Okay? It's true, right? See, hopefully Aiden won't be offended. I talk about his hair all the time. He's never complained once, right? So,
You know, but Aiden's just such a good guy.
but you know what I'm saying, right? I couldn't, you know what I mean. I don't want it to be awkward. It already is now. It's totally awkward now. All right, Johnny, 200x equals 1,400. What's the last step now, please?
Write down 1,400.
Okay, I'm going to give you a second to get started on the rest of that first page right now. I'm going to start on that first page. I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to try and collect myself. Because the numbers are big. That was a biggie. Okay, so take a second, try and do the top of the page if you're already done before the graphic.
Mr. Sadler, I need help. Out of all those numbers, the answer's not. I need to go. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's good that Jack said that. No.
They don't see myself. What is?